Today's matchup is a showdown in the ultra-high performance summer segment, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 versus the Maxxis Victra Sport 5. One's a proven premium, the other an aggressive value challenger. Let's dive straight in. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from Autobuild's 2025 summer tyre test. Let's start with wet performance. The Michelin Pilot Sport 5 stops in 43.2 meters, while the Maxxis takes 45.5 meters. That's a 2.3 meter gap, or 5% shorter braking distance in favor of the Michelin. In the wet handling, Michelin clocks in 73.3 km per hour, slightly faster than the Maxxis at 72 km per hour, which is a 2% advantage. Surprisingly, Maxxis edges out in aquaplaning, but only by 0.1 km per hour. In dry conditions, Michelin once again edges ahead. Braking from 100 km per hour, it stops in 33.5 meters, just 0.4 meters shorter than the Maxxis, which is a 1% difference. But dry handling is where it pulls away, averaging a speed of 120.5 km per hour versus a 116.7 km per hour of Maxxis. That's a solid 3% edge in agility and speed. Now, here's the massive difference: mileage. Michelin lasts 52,170 km, while Maxxis only manages 28,490 km. That's a huge 45% longer life for Michelin, clearly dominating in wear performance. On comfort, Michelin scores a subjective rating of 5 out of 5, beating Maxxis 3.9, a 6% difference. But here's the twist: the Maxxis is quieter in terms of exterior noise, registering 2.1 decibel less road noise, or 3% better. How about rolling resistance? Michelin again leads with a 5% less resistance, meaning better fuel efficiency and less CO2 emissions. Here's the catch: pricing. The Maxxis Victra Sport 5 is 55% cheaper than Michelin, so yes, it's a huge price difference. In summary, the clear winner is the Michelin Pilot Sport 5. It dominates in wet and dry performance and lasts nearly twice as long, offers better comfort, and still manages better rolling resistance. On the other hand, the Maxxis Victra Sport 5 fights back with a lower noise and significantly cheaper price. But if you want true UHP performance, Michelin is still the benchmark.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.